Hello, kids! Today, we will learn about my school. Let's begin! My school is a very beautiful place. I go to school every day. It is located near my home. I feel happy when I go to school. My school has a big building. There are many classrooms in my school. All classrooms are clean and bright. My school has a large playground. We play many games in the playground. There is a library in my school. I love reading books in the library. My teachers are kind and helpful. They teach us good habits and knowledge. We have a morning assembly every day. We pray together in the assembly. My school celebrates many festivals. We take part in different activities. I have many friends in my school. My school teaches me discipline. I love my school very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.